Yep. Hi guys. Good evening, all of you. Hope all of you can hear me. Anyone, guys? Can you please confirm? Is I'm audible?
Yes, sir.
Right. Right. So, guys, in the last session, we have taken two demo classes, guys. Two introduction classes I have taken. So, in the last two introduction classes, we discussed about what is Power BI? Why do you require the Power BI? Just give me a second, guys. Just give me a second. Just please be online, guys. Right. So guys, in the last two classes, I have just taken a small introduction regarding the Power BI. So once again, just quick review, guys, like what we have discussed in the last couple of classes. If anybody has missed the last couple of classes, don't worry. So you will get the recording videos of the whatever the two sessions that I have taken in the last week, Thursday and Friday, guys. I have taken two sessions only. So don't worry. Just I started with some basic introduction only. So once again, quickly, guys. What is Power BI? So Power BI is a nothing but a data visualization tool. So what is a data visualization? A data visualization tool is nothing but which is capable to convert our raw formatted data, which is there in the format of text, numbers, dates, that can be just converted into a visual format. So why should I convert the data into visual format, guys? Because the data contains some kind of a trends. The data is going to be contain some kind of a patterns. Some data contains some kind of a relationships. These are all undetected when you normally see the raw data. That's why convert into a some kind of a graph into a some visual format like a graphs and charts, so that we can identify the patterns, trends, correlations, etc. We can identify, guys. So how can you do this data visualization? There are two types are there, guys. There are two ways are there. One is by using coding and one is by using GUI based. Coding means user need to be expert in some programming language, like by using Python, R, etc. We have to use it. But what is the main drawback of what is the main drawback? The user need to be an expert in a programming language, like anything like Python and R, and it is going to be a time consuming time. It's a time consuming part. Whereas in GUI based, simple drag and drop operations we can do, guys. No expertise of any language is required, and within a very short time, we can perform a very beautiful reports. We can develop it. Examples like Power BI, Tableau, ClickView, etc. Guys. And generally, what type of roles they require the report, this reporting capability or reporting expertise is. It is by report developers. Specifically, the companies recruit the people who are report developers. Their main role is to develop the reports. Basic to advanced level reporting is going to be required whenever you want to become a specialized report developer. Apart from only report development, there are some other roles are also there, guys. Like data analyst requires a reporting, data engineers requires a reporting, specifically data science and all these guys, they require some kind of a reporting. So I was a data science expert. So I uses most of the data visualization for analyzing my data, my machine learning applications, everything I'll depend on the data visualization concept only. I'll depend on that because I was an expert in data science. My main subject is machine learning, deep learning, artificial intelligence, NLP. All these are going to be mix a little bit my applications. My main scope is going to be in that particular application, guys. So this is the first session I have been got discussed, like who needs the data visualization skill, and apart from that, how can you, what are the different ways we can perform the data visualization, and what are coding based and what are GUI based. And I've shown you a little bit practically also. I've just little bit only I have shown that how to write in a coding way and how to write in a GUI based. And after that, in the second session, I have discussed about something about the history about these reporting tools, guys, like how the reporting tools has been evolved. So initially, before 2000s, if I take it, the first generation reporting tool is Crystal Reports. Crystal Reports is a reporting, one type of reporting which they used to use in early 2000s. They used to use it. That is first generation reporting tools. Then coming to the second generation reporting tools, where the BI has came into the existence, guys. After the BI has came into the existence, these reporting has become very popular, guys. Before 2000, there is no business intelligence. Business intelligence was started in 2000. After the business intelligence came into the picture, so many such type of reporting, ETL analysis tools came into the picture. So the reporting tools at that time is going to be Cognos, Business Objects, SSRS. Okay, these are the some of the basic reporting tools what we used to have it there. So Microsoft is having a reporting tool called as an SSRS. Cognos, now it was taken by IBM. So that is also one of the reporting tool. Business Objects, which was now acquired by SAP. Now it is called as an SAP BO. These are all our second generation reporting tools. Now coming to the third generation reporting tools is after 2012. So these are our third generation reporting tools, guys, like Power BI, Tableau, ClickView. So Power BI is a product from Microsoft, guys. And coming to the Power BI, there are different types of tools are there, guys. It is nothing but Power BI mobile is there. What is Power BI mobile, guys? Power BI mobile is nothing but it's a mobile based application, which you can install it only in mobiles or in the tabs you can install. You cannot install in your, we cannot install it in our system, guys. Okay. We cannot do it in our system. We cannot do it in a laptops or desktops. We can't install it. But what is the purpose of Power BI, guys? Power BI mobile is used only to view the reports. We can't create the reports. We have to only view the reports, guys. Next one is a Power BI desktop. Power BI desktop is nothing but a desktop-based application. You know what is a desktop-based application? An application which is installed in your computer, which we can open it and we can work with that. That is Power BI desktop, where we can design the reports, guys. Where we can design the whatever the desired reports, we can design the reports here now. Then we are having something called as there is something called as an Power BI service is there, guys. Power BI service is where we can use designing and managing of the reports. We can design the reports and we have to manage the reports also, guys. And this is completely web-based. No installation is required. Why? Because it is a web-based. How to open the Power BI service? Open your browser. It can be either Microsoft Edge or it can be Google Chrome or some other web browser. Anything is a fine case. So you can just open your web browser, whatever may be the web browser you can use it, guys. And after that, what we can do now? So based on that, what we can do is you can just open directly your Power BI service can be gets opened, guys. It is opened as app.powerbi.com. See there, https:// it is app.powerbi.com. So it is going to open your Power BI service, guys. This is the Power BI service is going to be the service which we are going to be users here now. Okay, but we have to create an account. Directly don't open it, guys. We have to create one account. I'll tell you how to create the accounts and all these things, which I'm going to explain it later. But as of now, this is going to be our Power BI service, guys. Okay, so there we can see some reports and we can see some apps. We can create some dashboards, administration, some kind of security, who can access the reports, who cannot access the reports, and when to refresh your data sets. All these things we are going to decide by using this particular Power BI service, guys. Okay, so where we can design and do that, but compulsory we have to require an account. Without having the account, we cannot do that. Here also I can create the reports, guys. Here also I can create the reports. Report creation is possible here also. But generally we don't prefer to go for this Power BI service. We don't use initially, guys. So why generally we don't use initially? Why? Because is creating of an account, logging, all these are going to be a little bit confusion for us. That's why what is the best option we are going to be using is download and install the Power BI desktop. Okay. So your Power BI is available in different modes, guys. It's a mobile edition is there, web edition is there, desktop edition is there. You can work with mobile. You can work in a desktop application. You can work in a web application. But mobile application is only to view the reports, but we can't create the reports, guys. So anybody, guys? So which one you have to install first, guys? Shall I install the Power BI mobile or shall I install the Power BI desktop or shall I install the Power BI service? Which one you have to download and install, guys? Anyone?
Desktop.
Desktop you have to install it, guys. Why don't you, can't you download? That means What about the mobile? Can I work in the mobile?
We cannot modify the reports.
We cannot modify the reports. We cannot create the reports also. Mobile is only for what purpose only?
For viewing purpose.
Only just for viewing purpose only we can use it, guys, but not for designing. But what you are doing here now, we have to learn how to create the reports, how to design the report. So what you have to do, guys, which is simple, you have to download and we have to install the, which is going to be Power BI desktop, guys. So first thing we have to do is, guys, download and install Power BI desktop. Very easy, a very simple. Just download it, guys. Hardly it will be somewhere around 400, 500 MB. Just 2 minutes it will take, not even 2 minutes, maybe 20, 30 seconds it will take. Download it and installation, guys. Okay. So how to install it, guys? Very, very easy. Multiple options we are having, guys. Simple, open Google or open your browser and simply no need to do anything, guys. Simply you say download. No other softwares are required, guys. Some people ask me, sir, do you want to work with Power BI? First of all, shall I install any SQL server? Not required. It is not required, guys. So nothing is required for SQL server. Independently, it is going to work. Okay, fine. Simply download. There is no other softwares are required, guys. Just directly we can start with Power BI. So download, which is going to be Power BI desktop. See, guys, it is going to be download Power BI desktop. See there, the official website also is nothing but microsoft.com. And from there, you can download it. It's a Microsoft product, guys. So directly you can go there and you can get it. So you'll get different web pages, guys. So I directly clicked on the first page itself. See there, it is the link from where you can download it, guys. If anybody wants, I'll directly share the link in the chat window. Directly you can download from that link, guys. I directly shared you the link, guys. Okay. So just click on the link. Directly it will navigate to the, which is going to be, sorry, this one. Sorry, guys. Just a minute. I given the wrong one. Guys. Right. This one, guys. So second link, guys. First link, you please ignore it. So go for the second link. Okay. So the first one, which I have been got created, just let me delete it. Otherwise you'll get confused. Okay. This is the link from where you can download it, guys. Directly, we got directly to the download page. We directly came there. And this is the version, what we can say, guys. It is 2 point, which is going to be 126.927.0. So 2 is a version that is sufficient, guys. You need not to worry about that. So just I'm showing you, if you may open a different links sometimes. Directly, if you use my link, it will directly navigate to the download page. You can directly download from there. For example, some people may download, some say that, what is Power BI desktop? Simply they say that Power BI desktop, that's it. So whenever they said Power BI desktop, it may navigate to some other page, guys. We can't say that. It may navigate to some other page. For example, here, see powerbi.microsoft.com. So here I went to Power BI which is going to be microsoft.com. So here we have the products are there, guys. See the products, guys. We are having a Power BI desktop. We are having a Power BI mobile, and we are having a professional premium. Don't download them, guys. I'll tell you how to work with them. Power BI embedded and Power BI report server. Go for Power BI desktop, guys. Click on the Power BI desktop. See there, we have got into this particular page. See there, see download or the language option. Click on this particular link. Again, we'll get the same link as it is, guys. Whatever the link I have shared you previously, the same link. Got the point, guys? So this is the one which we can download it. So see there, just a simple download is there. Click on the download. Once again, I'll tell you, guys. So who has attended the last previous classes? I told you. Just there are going to be 4 phases are there, guys. First phase is going to be nothing but we have to import the data, guys. Import the data or get the data, whatever it may be. First of all, where is your data is there? Data may be available in some location, guys. It may be there in a CSV file, it may be there in a database system, or it may be there in some other format. So get the data from there. First, we have to import and get the data, guys. Then what we have to do, we have to transform the data. We have to clean up the data, guys. So get the data and first of all, clean up the data. Second one, after that, what we have to do, guys? We have to just create our model. I'll explain it. What is meaning of creating of model? So first model the data, first of all, guys. Then what is the next one? We have to create our visuals. Create our visual. Only 4 stages are there, guys. And fourth statement is, which is going to be publish your visuals or publish your reports. Publish the visuals, guys. Simple. So first connect and get your data, clean it up. Data cleansing. We have to clean it up. Cleaning is nothing but transform the data. And after that, do some kind of a data modeling. We have to do that. Model your data. And after that, create the visuals and we have to publish the reports. See there, guys. So using the Power BI desktop, as I told you guys, Microsoft Power BI desktop is a companion desktop application to Power BI service. If I click here, it will navigate to Power BI service again, guys. This is your Power BI service. So that is a web-based. Whatever we are using is a desktop-based. So better first always use a desktop, guys. Don't go for the Power BI service directly. See there, with Power BI desktop, what you can do. Maybe 4 or 5 stages. Saving the reports is going to be extra step. But what we can do, get the data. The Power BI desktop makes discovering data easy. You can import the data from a wide variety of data sources. I told you also, guys, last class I told you. The main difference between the second generation system and the third generation system is your second generation systems like SSRS, etc. They are capable to get the data only from 10 to 12 different type of data sources. Hardly 10 to 12, guys, not more than that. But the latest generation systems are not like that. Almost all somewhere around from 120 to 140 data sources it will support, guys. So after you connect to the data source, you can shape the data, match your analysis and reporting needs. According to your reporting requirements, we have to make some changes, transformations, and all these things, what we have to do. Second step, I told you guys, you have to create your model. Creating the relationship and enrich your data model with new measures and data formats. So I'll tell you later. So it's a modeling means what features you require, what columns you require, what measures you require, what calculations you require. All these things we can do it with the help of a DAX functionality. Here only, guys, we are going to use the DAX. In data modeling only, we are going to be using the DAX concept. We are going to be users. Then create your reports, guys. And after save your report. Save your reporting is nothing is there. Save the reports, guys. And after that, what you do is upload or publish your reports, guys. So save the reports, you exclude it. There are 4 stages are there. Get the data, clean it up, data, do the data modeling, and create your reports and publish your reports, guys. That's it, guys. 4 stages will be there. Apart from that, nothing is going to be there, guys. All these things we can do with the help of your Power BI desktop. Using Power BI desktop, you can get the data, connect to your required sources, get your data, clean it up, and then we have to create the relationships. Whatever the data modeling you want to do it. Create your reports, whatever you want. Save the reports wherever you require. And finally, publish it, guys. Okay. So where you have to publish? You have to publish to the Power BI service, guys. You can upload the reports you created and saved in the desktop to your Power BI site. Your Power BI site is it's a cloud-based service account, guys. You can also publish them to the Power BI, which from Power BI desktop also directly we can publish them, guys. So this is the software downloaded, guys. So which version we have to download? There are 2 options are there. It's a 32-bit, it's a 64-bit, guys. Almost all our latest computers are going to be 64-bit operating system. See this Power BI PBI desktop setup underscore x64.exe. I think all of you know that, guys. It is going to be some kind of an computer architecture what we are using. 64-bit and 32-bit. Currently, all our operating systems, our computers, processors, all of them are going to be 64-bit processors. So download it. How much is the size, guys? Almost all, there are somewhere around 500 MB space, guys. Download. Hardly it will take 2 minutes of time. Not even 2 minutes of time, guys. Just download it, guys. It will be downloaded. Okay. Meanwhile, let it download. Let it download. In my system, my Power BI desktop is already installed on my system, guys. Okay. In your systems, maybe somebody already installed it. Somebody may not install it, guys. No worries. Once the Power BI desktop is installed on your machine, on your desktop, there is a Power BI desktop icon will be created, guys. You can see there. This is your Power BI desktop icon, guys. See there? This one. A shortcut has been got created. Just double click on this, guys. Just double click on this. It's a Power BI desktop. It's already installed in my system, guys. It is already installed in my system. So let me verify what version I am using and what version it has been got installed. It's very simple, guys. This is your Power BI desktop environment. It's a desktop based application, guys. It's a desktop based application. You can see very clearly Power BI desktop. Now, let me verify what version I'm using, guys. Help, go to the help option, and there we can see about is there, guys. Click on the about button. Very clearly we can see, guys, it is going to be version. It is 2.124.2048, guys. 2.124. What is the current version I'm using? Current version latest release. It is 2.126, guys. I'm using 2.124. It is 2.126. Actually, it is a January edition. It is actually a January edition, guys. But it is showing you still as a December 2023. It's maybe some reason it has been not modified. Previously, it is not like that. I told you already. Power BI will release the updates almost every 1 month. It will give you the updates every 1 month. They will give you the updates, guys. It's showing it as December 2023, but that is actually we downloaded in the month of January only. For some reason, it is not changing to January. Let's check it out. If a new version maybe changes to February update. Generally, in between 15th and 20th, guys. Generally, 15th to 20th of every month, Microsoft releases the updates on this particular Power BI. Recently only it has been released, guys. And in which date it has been released, guys? You have seen that on 16th of which is going to be of this month, it has been got released. Hardly it is going to be 10 days back. Hardly 16th it has been got released, and this is going to be 26. Every month they will release a new update, guys. Every month they will release a new update. Okay. Meanwhile, the installation has been done. Let me close it. Let me close it, guys. Let us download. Already I downloaded the latest version, right? Let us install it, guys. Installation is very, very easy, guys. Anybody can download and you can install it, guys. See there? It is going to be Power BI desktop. Just double click on this, guys. In my system, it may takes a little bit time. Why? Because I already have a existing Power BI. So it will verify what is the previous version, what is the current version. Okay, it has to remove the old files, creating of new files. It takes a little bit time, guys. But in your system, if you try to install it, it's very easy. We can go for the installation, guys. Click on the next. Click on the next, guys. Very easy installation, guys. Anybody can install it. In my system, it may take a little bit time because it has to find out what is the existing version. Okay, so see there, it is taking some time. Please wait while the setup wizard is going to be preparing to, which is going to be guide you through the installation. Computing space requirements. It will verify already existing version is there, which version it is. So how much space it is required, which files it has to upgrade, or which files it has to update. It will check that. All the space requirements, it will verify that. Okay, just wait for this step only will take some time because already I have a Power BI in my system. If it is new installation, it won't take that much time, guys. If really it is a new system, it won't take that much time. It is very user friendly. Anybody can do the installation. Meanwhile, if anybody is working on the system, you can also, if you want to go ahead with this course, you can install the Power BI, guys. Parallelly along with me, you can install it. I already shared the link to you. The link, guys. So once again, if you want, I'll share the link once again. I'll copy the link once again. If anybody has missed, again, you can download the link from this particular link, guys. I already shared the link in the chat window. Right. It's taking some time. Actually, next button has to be enabled. It has not yet enabled. Let's wait, guys. Yeah, there are multiple ways. Once again, I'm showing you guys. There are multiple ways, multiple sites we can download. Simply, you can say download, which is going to be Power BI desktop. Any link you click on, guys, any link you click, finally, you are going to go to that particular, the page what I have shown you there. See there? So what we can do with the Power BI. So these are the things what we can do is, guys. So from any link you can download. So downloads, here we have a Power BI desktop, Power BI mobile, Power BI report server, and see all downloads also. See there, guys, multiple options are there. Multiple sites are there. Microsoft Power BI desktop, download. Microsoft Power BI, you have to download mobile from either from the Microsoft store or an app store or a Google store. So later we'll install some of the gateways later. Later we'll download some of the gateways, guys. And what is on-premises reporting with Power BI report server? I'll tell you. So here we have an advanced download options are there, guys. Click there. It will again come to the same page, whatever I have shown you previously. Same page, guys. Same page, it will come there. Okay. I think meanwhile it has been done. No, guys, it is taking some time. Let us wait for a couple of minutes because I can't go to the next option. Just wait for a couple of minutes. Meanwhile, if we are working on your system, if you want to download it and install it, guys. Click on next option. Nothing to enter. Nothing is going to be required to type. Next option with the help of your keyboard. Basically, it won't take that much time, but today it is taking some time further. Let us wait for, guys. Just a minute, guys. It's taking some time. I think it is doing. Right. You can see this, guys. Okay. So the setup will install the Microsoft Power BI desktop 64-bit on your computer. Click next to continue or cancel to enter the setup, guys. Okay. So it is going to be just click on the next. Everything is very simple, guys. Click on the next. So just accept the license agreement. Click on the next. Nothing to do, guys. Your location it is asking you. Click on the next. Leave it default. And that's it, guys. That's it, guys. To begin the installation, click install. To review or change, it is going to be any of your installation settings, click back. Nothing to do, just 2 steps, guys. 3 steps, over. Click on the install. Create a desktop shortcut. Once if you install it, one desktop shortcut will be created like this, guys. Click on the install button, guys. Immediately, it will take the installation, but in my system, it will take some time, guys, because old files need to be removed and new files need to be copied. So that is the reason. Either otherwise we can do one thing. I can uninstall the software and I can install. Nothing happens to your files, guys. All your files are going to be intact. There is nothing loss of files. Nothing is going to happen. Everything is there externally in the file systems only. Generally, I have a folder separately. This is my Power BI files, guys. All my Power BI files are going to be available here now. Batch 5 p.m., batch 7 p.m., batch 11 a.m. Okay, batch 9:30 a.m., batch 12 p.m., batch 10:30 a.m. Like that, we'll have a multiple files like this, guys. These are all Power BI files. Power BI extension, PBIX. PBIX, Power BI, which is going to be extension, guys. These are the Power BI extension files. That's it. Okay. So nothing will happen. Let it happen, guys. Let it complete the installation. It's taking some time. It's taking some time actually, guys. But generally in your system also, even first fresh installation will take less time. So maybe 2 minutes, 3 minutes, not more than that, guys. Because if you can see there, it is removing the files, guys. Because my old files need to be removed because already I have a previous version is there. 2.124 is already there. Current version is going to be 2.126. So it has to remove the 2.124 files and then it has to copy the new file. That's why it is saying that removing the files. So every day we don't install it. Only first day only we are going to install it. From second day, we don't do the installation again and again, guys. Now it is copying new files. It removed the old files and copying the new files, guys. That's the reason why it has taken a little bit time for us. If you are doing a fresh installation, there is no need to remove the old files. It directly copies the new files and immediately the installation will complete off. Within 2 minutes, it will take it, guys. Not more than that. So let it happen. Don't open the Power. Already I have a Power BI in my system, but I don't want to open the Power BI, guys. Don't open it while during the installation because the files need to be copied. So some corruption will take place. That's why don't open the Power BI while it is doing the installation. Let it complete. Just wait for a couple of minutes. It will complete the installation, guys. Yep, it is removing the backup files, guys. So all the files that has been got copied, that is going to be removing the files. Maybe just a minute. It will complete of it within just a minute. Done, guys. So it is asking, do you want to launch the Power BI desktop? I don't want to launch it. Click on finish, guys. Otherwise, it will launch the application. So done. Installation is very easy, guys. Okay, so Power BI desktop software has been got installed. Now we can start working with your reports, guys. Let me open the Power BI desktop, new version. Let me double click and open the Power BI desktop, guys. Let me open it. It is updated in my system. I updated my previous version of Power BI with the latest version of March Power BI. I have been got updated. So the environment also has been got, it is completely changed, guys. So the complete environment has been got changed, guys. It's not like your previous. It's not like a previous environment is different. And that today only I have installed, guys. The March updation version, I have installed only, sorry, the February update version has been installed. Just now I have been installed, guys. Previously I have not seen that also. So now I can just open it, guys. Nothing is there. There are going to be just different option. Also, just now I have seen the application, guys. New, which is going to be report. Previously we used to get in, guys. Nothing is there. Just the environment has been just got changed, guys. Once again, let us launch it. Power BI desktop. So in the February update only, it has been modified, guys. Slightly it has been got modified. Previously, what used to happen here is directly your Power BI desktop used to open directly. But now it is asking, so which one? I want to create a new one, or do you want to open an existing one? See, guys, all these are existing one. Okay, these are all going to be existing one. Click on the new report I want to create it, guys. Okay. Now this is the environment what we used to get it. That particular home page we didn't used to get it, guys, earlier. Now we are getting some kind of an home page is coming that. Okay, first let us verify help and go to the which is going to be about, guys. So let me verify whether this has been got updated or not. Perfect, guys. Perfectly it has been updated, guys. Previously I've shown you previously also. It has showing me December update. Actually, the February, it actually 2 updates are released in the month of January. 2 updates has been released in the month of January, guys. This is a February update. So you can see 2.126.927.0 64-bit February 2024. So if anybody having the old version, guys, And if anybody already used Power BI earlier, the environment is after connecting to Power BI, environment is same, guys. There is no change. But the login screen, whenever we open the Power BI, so at the time of logging, that means at the time of connecting, it has been got changed, guys. It has been got changed. And one more thing I can observe here is it has become a little bit faster also. Previous versions are not like that. It used to take some time, but now it is opening very fastly. That is what I can see. So there is going to be the home page. We have got it. If you want to open an existing one, you can open an existing one, guys. This is going to be the home one, what we can do that. Just click on the new, it will open a new one, guys. That's it. So this is going to be your working environment of your Power BI desktop, guys. I'll explain them one by one and explain them. Nothing is there, guys. We have to just only with the help of the mouse. Maximum keyboard usage will not be there, guys. Only with the help of the mouse only we are going to be working with most of the applications we are going to be working, guys. These are your visuals. What type of visual you require? These are your visuals. What is your data? What is your filters, etc., etc. Nothing is there. Very easy. This is going to be what we can do, guys. I'll explain this all these options. So this is going to be the way how we are going to design our reports here now. And here also we can see it's a desktop layout view. It is a mobile layout view. So if you said mobile layout view, how your report will view, how your report will appear in a mobile, it is going to show you the mobile layout view it is. See very clearly in your mobile how your report will looks like. It is going to be mobile layout and it is going to be desktop layout. See there, desktop layout view and it is mobile layout view is what we can see with an application, guys. Okay. So all of you have to download and install the software, guys. So please, all of you, you have to please download and install your software. No account is required. If you want to work with the Power BI service, then you require an account. Here, account is not required. Directly download and you have to install it. Okay. So once again, I'm showing you quickly, guys, just from where you want to download the software. already have shared the link either from there or if you want to download from your own. So it is going to be download Power BI desktop. Go to the link Power BI desktop, which is going to be official website. So we can go there and from there also we can download. So the version is going to be 2.16.126.927.0, which is released on, which is going to be 16th of February. So my version also showing the same thing, guys. Download and do the installation. Installation is also very easy, guys. Quickly, it is a 3-step, 4-step process. Nothing is there. Accept the license agreement. Just click on the next location and just click on the next and click on finish, guys. Automatically, we can do the installation. Once the installation is done on your desktop, there is a Power BI desktop. It has been got created. The shortcut has been created. Open it. It is going to open. If you want, you can find the updates, guys. So if you want to find the updates, I'll tell you from where you can get the updates. Okay, so go to the report, new report we can go, guys. And this is going to be this one. So there is going to be in YouTube, you can verify, guys. Power BI desktop, which is going to be, if I simply type Power BI desktop updates, it is going to show you that link in the YouTube. Every month there is a release will be there, guys. I'll show you the link. So that's it, guys. This is going to be the environment where we are going to work, guys. So all the transformation of data can be done here, guys. There is something called as an transform data will be there. I can clean up the data there. Here, all your visuals can be created. And from here, I can publish the account. Currently, there are no reports, right? So publish button is disabled, guys. If there is any reports are there, publish button will be enabled. From there, we can publish the reports, guys. Okay. So this is going to be the environment which we are going to work to design our reports in our using Power BI desktop, guys. Just for a small understanding, it's not mandatory to learn, but just for a small understanding, I'm showing you even the same environment by using Tableau. Tableau is another reporting tool, which is one of the competitor for the Power BI. It is also going to be, there are going to be different types of products are there. So I also have downloaded, which is going to be, here it is called as an Tableau Public. It is going to be Tableau Public is going to be the product which I have installed, guys. So it is taking some time to open it. It's taking some time, guys. It is opening, but it's taking some time to open it. Yeah. You can see this is going to be Tableau Desktop Edition, guys. See guys, it is going to be nothing but, it is going to be the environment of, which is going to be nothing but what we can see. So see there, this version of Tableau public is no longer supported. Click to download the new latest version is there, or we can update the product. Okay, later I'll do that. Updating the product, I'll do that later. So this is going to be how we are going to be working with the, which is going to be the Tableau. So whether it is Tableau, whether it is Power BI, whether it is a ClickView or something like that, guys, it does not matter. It is all about working with reporting. Reporting is a skill, guys. Okay, Power BI is not a skill. Power BI is a tool which we are going to be using to develop the reports. That's it. But what is the skill we are learning here, guys? We are learning a data visualization skill. Using which particular product we are going to do that? I'm going to be doing with the help of the Power BI. But once you learn Power BI, once if you learn the Power BI, then understanding the remaining tools is going to be, remaining softwares are going to be very easy and very similar, guys. Why? Because almost all the components are going to be the same components. Okay, the terminologies are same. What is x-axis? What is y-axis? What is going to be legend? What is going to be the size? What is going to be the color? All of them are going to be the same technique and the same application what we are going to do, guys. So what type of report you require? Just we have to select that particular report here, guys. Okay, so what fields you require, what columns you require. Just if you select it and if you drop it, that is going to be sufficient to work with this kind of an application, guys. Very easy and very simple application. See there, guys. Here we are going to be having something called as a filters. So there also in Power BI also we are going to be having something called as an filters, what we are going to be getting here, guys. So what fields you require? Simply it is asking, drag it and drop it here now. So what is on columns? What is on rows you require? What do you require on the columns? Color I'm going to be requiring on the columns. What aggregations you want to do? Specify the required aggregations, whatever you require it, guys. So like this, we can just select the required values and just we can get the required calculations very easily. We can do it, guys. See guys, how simple it is going to be. How simple it is going to be. We can do the required calculations, whatever the calculations you require, we can just do the required calculations, whatever you want to do it, guys. Okay, so nothing to do, nothing to it's nothing to do anything, guys. Directly the calculations will be there. Just we have to understand that particular calculations and we have to study that particular application, guys. So what format you require? See guys, how simple I'm going to be doing that. These are going to be something called as an bar charts. These are going to be what we call it as stacked column charts, what we can see. So the terminologies are going to be the same as it is, guys. What is the type of the report only we have to understand. What type of visual it is. What type of visual we are going to take in. So just we have to understand that particular concept. Apart from that, nothing is going to be there in the application, guys. Okay. So this is going to be Tableau. So I'm not going to make you to confuse with that. But what is my suggestion here is, we are learning a skill of data visualization. Whether it is a Power BI, whether it is going to be Tableau, nothing is matter. In Power BI also, we are going to do the same way, guys. But only the thing is the procedure is slightly different. How the options we are going to be working is going to be slightly, it is going to be different, guys. I'm creating a new visual and I'm going to be importing the data, get the data from where we have to get it. Same file, I'm showing the same file only. This is the data. Same report, guys. Whatever I have shown you the report, same report I'll show you once again here now. It is going to be what we can call it as the stacked bar chart or stacked column chart. So simply I'm going to select the, which is going to be type of the plot what you require. So simply we have to select the type of the plot. And after that, I can just drag and drop the fields. Automatically, the fields are going to be gets required. What you require on the x-axis, what is on y-axis you require. So color or the model is going to be on the x-axis and the price count is going to be on the y-axis, what we can get it, guys. It is going to be count. And I'm also going to be drag and drop the color also on the x-axis. So this is going to be how we have got it. So if you make it, which is going to be something called as an stacked bar chart, it's a stacked column chart. So automatically it is going to become something like this. So one above the another, whatever you require, we can just do the calculations, whatever you want to do, guys. It is a count value calculation, what we done. Legend, color and drag it and drop it on the legend. It is going to be something which is going to becomes like this. So just we have to know like how to handle these particular applications. Once you do this, remaining is going to be the same technique, guys. So what is a stacked bar chart? If you understand what is a stacked bar chart, then you can easily understand whether it is a Tableau, whether it is a Power BI, whether it is a Python, does not matter. This is what we call it as stacked bar chart, stacked column chart. Bar chart means it is vertical, horizontal like this, guys. These are going to be column charts. These are bar charts and these are column charts. That's it. Just vertical and horizontal positions will changes. That's it. Remaining report remains the same only. See how simple we are able to convert it, guys. Very easily we are able to convert it. What are those? This is going to be something what we can call it as a pie chart. Hope you remember it's a donut chart. It is going to be nothing but a donut chart. It is going to be, guys. Easily we can do the applications. Okay. Don't worry. All these things we are going to customize them in the later. So first, this is the environment. I have to explain what is this environment, what is this data, what is this filters, what is this. There are three different views are there. What is a report view, what is a table view, and what is a model view. And all these applications also I'll have to explain for one day. After that, we'll start with the practical application, guys. Okay. So that's it for the today's class, guys. Just for today, I'll stop it here. So almost all we have completed the demos, guys. Almost all 3 classes we have taken the introduction part. I think most of you have been attending from the last first class. Maybe some people has joined for today, or maybe in the last class you have joined. So almost all we completed the basic demo classes, guys. So within 1 or 2 days of time, the link will changes, guys. So whatever the link you are using, that will be changes. So it will be shared only with the paid people only. So who has been paid, so only for those particular people only it is going to be shared, because we are starting with our regular classes. Main classes we are about to start within 1 or 2 days of time. So if you want to go ahead with this course, and if you are satisfied with my course curriculum and the way I'm teaching, I'm explaining, so you can complete your registration process by paying the required fees amount. The course fee is going to be 5,000, guys, including the videos also. Including videos, we are going to get the recorded videos, guys. So including the videos, it will be costing you 5,000. So please complete off your registration process. My backend team will send you the follow-up mails, as well as the links also has been shared in the chat window. So whatever the procedure of payment you want, you can complete your procedure, and please complete off your registration process as soon as possible. So once you have registered for the course, you will be getting the recorded videos, materials, the soft copies materials, and apart from the data sets and all these things, we are going to get in, guys. Maximum from day after tomorrow, I'll start up with the main course curriculum. So maybe from day after tomorrow, the link will changes, guys. Okay. So meanwhile, you can just complete off your registration process if you want to go ahead with the course, guys. Right. So that's it from my side for the today's class, guys. Anybody, any questions, guys, from your side?
Yeah, I have the
Yeah,
small
yeah.
information required.
Yeah.
Actually, you are talking about many visuals. Is it right?
Okay.
In
Yeah.
Power BI, except visuals, is there any other reporting? Other reports is creating just like
No.
we are compared to Cognos. We are going to have the list report and cross tab reports.
Yes, absolutely.
Yeah,
Yeah, absolutely. Once again, can you repeat your question once?
actually, we are going to
Okay.
show you that we are going to mention as a visuals.
Okay.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay.
Leave it. Okay, fine. There is no issue. Power BI is going to visuals. That is
Okay.
the charts.
Mm-mm.
Is other reports except visuals? We are you able to create any other reports? That's a list reports and cross
Yeah.
tab reports. Is
Yes.
like we are
Only the
doing in the
names are
Yeah, yeah,
going to be different. That's it.
yeah,
Your
yeah.
names are going to be different. Here we are going to call it as a matrix. We are going to call it as. Okay. And apart from that, it's not only these reports. Those are completely second generation systems. There are completely second generation systems. These are advanced one. So not only this, whatever the reports you required, there are going to be some kind of an Power BI, which is going to be stories available. So you can download your required visuals, whatever you have to require it. For example, just an example. So only thing is the name may be little bit changes, but what is going to be list report? So if you want, we can just get some kind of a different types of reports we can get it.
Uh,
Approximately there are somewhere around 500 to 600 visuals we are having here now. Okay, you can download all these visuals, whatever the visuals you require, but the names will changes. There we are going to call it as cross tab. So I think you are having some idea about a cross tab. Generally, what do you require for, what is the purpose of a cross tab basically? If you know it?
Yeah. That is a crosstab report is a summary level information to
Summary level.
display that
That
one.
means which is
Yeah.
displayed as a row level and column level, right?
Yes,
So
exactly. That is a
exactly.
if you use
Uh,
a more than one that one.
yeah. Then it is going to be, that is what I am going to call it as an, which is going to be, I'm going to call it as an, which is going to be a crosstab here, the matrix here now. And this is going to be the values, what we can see there. This is going to be my crosstab. You can add up as many you can add up here now. I'm adding something like an transmission to the rows. So if we can see some kind of an, which is going to be like in cross table, we are going to be adding up the things. So same technique, only thing is names will be slightly different. Right?
Okay.
Everything is the same. If you want to have a table, we can
But
have a table. Yeah.
yeah, but there is any prescribed template you are going to do that things?
Template means there are all built-in reports only. There are all built-in
Yeah.
visuals only. Here we can see
Okay.
that everything is available here only. On
Okay.
the
Only
screen, it is
only
available.
only all the things are through visuals by the
Oh,
only
yeah.
visuals.
Only visuals only.
Okay, in Cognos, we are going to see the something different types of options. That is cross tab is there. Charts are
There
available.
is not,
Ev-
there is categorized. Your charts
Yeah.
is going to be categorized, but here I don't have the charts. All the charts are available here only. For me,
Yes,
it is going
exactly.
to be stacked bar charts. It is going to be column charts. Whatever you want,
Yeah.
everything is going to be available.
Yeah, exactly. These type of charts are is available in Cognos also. There
Yes,
is no
yes.
issues on that.
No,
I
yeah,
know
yeah,
that one.
yeah, yeah, yeah.
But there is a here there is a no prescribed further. We have the supposed to create list report. You are going to take the list from that
Ah,
one and cross
from,
tab also cross tab is there and
yeah,
different types of is there available.
yeah, yeah.
But
Eh,
here also available such type of things. And list
No,
and cross tab you are going to
no,
that's
no,
why
no,
I am.
no. There is, see, I'm saying that what is purpose of, don't say that list concept. Understand
Okay.
what is the purpose of the list. That's it. If you tell me what is the purpose of list, I can just I can plot the same as
Yeah.
it is here.
Yeah. See,
That list
purpose
is
of the
called as
list.
a matrix here now. That's it.
Yeah. See, if you have the one report, for example, is more than 90 columns,
Okay.
for example.
Okay.
We are going to display that one.
Okay.
It's
Yeah.
a very horrible to check
Obviously.
the detail level information. We are going
Obviously.
to horrible
Obviously.
to display the charts or something, whatever detail
Obviously.
level
Obviously.
information.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
How to do that one? Something we
Yeah.
are going to use the drill through reports, for
Drill
example.
through is, we are having
Yeah,
the drill through. We are having it. Add the drill through fields here now. We have an option is going to
yeah,
be there.
yeah. That's why supposed to create the more than 50 or 20, 60 columns reports,
Yes. Yeah.
whatever it is summarization or whatever
Yes.
detail level information.
Obviously.
So, how to take this in this one? Is it possible to create those such
Yeah.
type of
Yeah.
reports
Yeah.
in
Yeah.
this
We
one?
can create it. Same thing we'll create it. Only thing is we don't have directly the name called as the list reports, but further
Okay,
the alternatives will be there. So concept is same, but the names are going to be slightly, there will be different
but
with
we
it.
are okay. We are going to
Yeah.
save as the
We'll
list
say that.
report. That report
Obviously. Will,
name. We
yes,
are going to
absolutely. We'll see
okay.
them now.
Okay? Are you able to? Are you able to cover that this detail level
Yeah,
information
yeah,
to
yeah, yeah,
create
we do that.
this
Yeah,
whatever
we'll
you
do
have?
that. Yes, absolutely, we'll do that. See, I also worked with multiple reporting tools. I also worked with Cognos. Cognos was little bit very long back. My system is going to be, I worked in before 2008, I have been got worked. Then I worked with SQL Server reporting services. And now I was into the Power BI because I have to move according to the later generation systems. So I can just compare because it's a very little bit long back. But if you tell me the requirement, I can just explain you how to do it in Power BI. Maximum, I will cover all of them, detail level, everything I'm going to cover it because I have done a lot of experiments, a lot of research I have done on this particular Power BI. Everything I'll explain the applications. So if you have any other requirement are there apart from what I'm discussing, if you ask me, I'm going to explain the particular concept.
Yeah. That's what I said is you are going to take the detail
Yeah, yeah,
list
everything
report
will take
and
it. Yes, yes, absolutely will
cross
take
tab
it.
reports, whatever. These
Yes,
are
yes.
all these things latest version of the Cognos IBM Cloud also using
Yeah, yeah.
that one. This type of situation, see everything entire is changed that one now.
Yes, okay,
That
okay.
Cognos also
Okay,
everything is
okay.
available in that
Okay,
one also.
okay, okay, fine.
But suppose to some types of migration you are going to happen from
Mm,
those reports, all existing reports or new
okay, okay.
existing reports to Power
Mm,
BI. Supposed to
mm.
create the those type of reports in Power BI. Is it
Mm.
possible? How to create that one? That's a list report or something
Yeah, yeah,
that cross tab summary reports
yeah,
and
okay.
whatever it is. Yeah,
Yeah, we'll
that's
do
why.
that. We'll do that. We'll discuss it.
That's
If
all.
any requirement is there, let me know. I'll just tell you how to do that particular application.
Okay.
Still,
Okay.
I have a small doubt.
Yes, yeah, yeah.
How come SQL is playing the role in Power BI?
Power BI does not, in Power BI, SQL does not plays any important role. What is the important, what is going to be the thing is to understand some, it's actually without knowing SQL Server also, we can work with the Power BI. Power BI does not plays an important role. But why generally we recommend saying that if you have an idea about SQL, what generally I recommend here is sometimes we are going to learn some kind of a feature, some functionalities here we are going to learn it. Like for example, merge queries is there. In merge queries, what I'm going to do is I'm going to apply something called as a merging of data frames. But what is the concept here now? This is going to be, you can see some kind of a joins are there, inner joins, left outer joins, right outer joins. So from where these concepts has been derived? These concepts has been derived from SQL. So that's why if you have the knowledge of SQL, you can learn this option very easily. That means already known options in SQL, you can do it in Power BI same as it is. Even if you don't have the idea about SQL also, we can work with them, because I'll explain with respect to Power BI, not with respect to the joins, but I'll say that as these options are very familiar to, which is as simple as your joins concept in SQL. If you already have the knowledge of SQL, the same as it is, we can apply here. For the guys who do not have the idea, they can learn it. They have to learn it newly. The guys who are already having the idea about SQL, they can understand it very easily. So I'll explain everything from the scratch, expecting that you generally don't have the idea about SQL. So some topics we are going to compare with SQL, like group by. So in group by, in SQL, you are having a group by concept is there. Here also we are having the group by. Generally, I'll compare this concept with a group by of SQL. So that is the only thing I'm going to do that, but it is not a mandatory to learn.
Thank you, sir.
Right. And just a
And
little
also,
bit about primary key, foreign keys. That's a little bit idea. That's not mandatory to learn. Yeah.
yeah.
Yes. Somebody is asking.
Yeah, one more thing.
Yeah. Yeah.
Just while you are going to the modeling part, for
Yeah.
example, when you
Yeah.
compare in the Cognos,
Mm, mm, mm.
okay, you have the idea. That's why I'm asking.
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
We have the framework manager is there.
Yes. Yes.
We are going to download the tables from the database and
Mm.
create the relationships between whatever
Yes.
you
Yes.
explained
Yes.
this
Yes.
one.
Yes. Yeah. Yeah.
This different types of joins
Yeah. Yeah. Yeah.
available.
Yeah.
We are going. Yeah, yeah. That's why.
Mm.
Same situation.
Yeah.
We are suppose one report you are using the more than 10 tables, for example. That's a
Okay. Okay.
complex report. For
Okay.
example, our
Okay.
scenario. Suppose you are going to create the relationship between those 10 tables between the in Power BI is are you able to
Yes.
create the
Yes.
modeling?
Absolutely. Modeling will
Yeah,
be
yeah.
done here. No. You can
Yeah,
see
yeah, yeah.
right now there is only one table is there. The same
Okay.
as it is will be there. So
Okay, okay,
automatically when there is any relation table comes, automatically
okay.
joining will be done and automatically the
Okay.
relationship will be maintained here now. Right now there is only
Okay.
one table. If you
Same,
have another
yeah,
table,
yeah. Alias tables also you are able to create in that one.
yes, you
Alias.
can create it. Generally we'll create
Same
alias
table. We are
copies, you
going
are
to
going
create
to create it.
yeah, different name that is
But
reflected
it's
whenever
little
using.
bit different. Your
Yeah.
Cognos modeling is
Yeah.
different
Yes.
and this is going to be
Yes.
modeling is different.
Yes.
Okay,
Okay.
fine.
Okay. Okay,
Yeah.
Vamsi. That's why. Can you please cover all these things
Yeah,
whenever
yeah, we'll
you,
cover it.
yeah,
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 yeah, yeah, we'll cover it everything.
yeah, yeah, you are going to take.
Okay.
Okay, fine.
Here we are going
Thanks.
to call it as a semantic model because the
Yeah, yeah.
logical model, semantic model, what we call it
Yeah.
as.
Okay, okay, okay.
Okay,
Okay,
fine.
that type of facility is available anyway.
Yes, everything
You're
because
going to.
see,
If
if
one model is created, yeah, yeah.
uh, so if really if the options are not available, nobody will migrate from Cognos to Power BI or something like that, right?
Yeah.
So
Yes.
compulsory if they have provided the features, all the features must be there.
Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's why.
Right.
Okay, fine. Okay,
Okay, guys.
thanks.
Yeah,
Yeah,
all of you
thanks.
guys. Yeah, thank you. Thank
Okay,
you.
fine. Have a nice day.
May
Thank
Yes.
you.
I ask one thing?
Yeah, yeah.
In this one, we will learn this map, how to measure latitude and longitude.
Longitude, latitudes, generally I didn't discuss up to now, but if you really have the latitude and longitudes data, we can work with that. We
Okay.
have a maps is there. Generally, basic maps we are going to learn. If you want to go a little bit deep into the maps concepts, I will also verify that. If really we can get the data, it's not a problem. If you have any requirement, specific requirement from your side, ask
Yeah.
me, and I'm going to see. Even if I don't, because I was very interested to learn the new things. So how I
Yeah.
became an expert up to here, because
Mhm.
different people will ask a different requirement. So I will also learn from the requirements, and I'm going to do that. But if you
Oh,
have any specific requirements, If I really know that, immediately I will explain that. In the case if I don't know that, I'll say that just give me 1 day, 2 days of time. I'll just verify and come back. Because generally latitude, longitudes means generally people will get confused with that. So we have the maps, generally simple maps only, generally I'll discuss it. But if you want to get a little bit more about the latitude, longitudes, I can really explain the concept.
Okay, and the measures, everything we will learn, right?
Measures and obviously
The
the
measures
DAX
and the
measures and all
DAX
this.
is
Yeah,
DAX and
DAX
everything.
completely. Yes, completely. You will get a complete knowledge about the DAX.
And the visualization, all this, whatever is
Obviously,
the KPI,
everything apart
everything,
from
all of it we will learn.
yeah, absolutely. Apart from these visuals, we also download some extra visuals also. I'll show you.
And even can we learn like a calendar, how to create a calendar?
Yes. All built in only. So if you want here built in, I don't have a built in is there. So we are having some options will be there if you want to pick any dates and all these things, everything. So maximum which are generally we are going to be using, we'll get it. So we have a get more visuals are there. There is a Power BI, which is a stories there. So just like you will get the apps. So here also we can get whatever the calendar. So if you want to get a calendar, just select the calendar, what type of calendars you require. You can select it and just download. So for example, I require this particular calendar. See that, just a minute. So this is going to be date picker is going to be there. So select that particular date picker. So most of the visuals are going to be free of cost only. You need not to pay anything. So just download that. It will be attached there. So there you can see add a free. So simply I'm going to be adding. It will be added there. Automatically it will be added there and you can get that particular visual. So we can start using the date pickers. So depending on the date values, if you want to change the calendars and all these things, this is going to be what we can call it as our date picker. So pick the date, it is going to be shows you which is going to be this one. So what dates you require and all these things, if you add up them, this will be enabled and you can start working with them.
Thank you so much.
Right.
Sir, I have one question.
Yeah.
Yes, sir, we will be importing dimensional model like the star schema, dimensions and the fact table.
It's a part of your business intelligence concept. I'll explain them. What is meaning of we don't import them. What is a star schema? What is a snowflake schema is that is a type of the model which we use it in business intelligence. Okay, I'll explain them. What is star schema and what is a snowflake schemas? We'll discuss about them. So the type of the schema is different. That is a database level schema. But whether it is a star schema, whether it's a snowflake schema does not matter. In Power BI, you get the data and we have to work with them actually. But I'll explain them about what is a fact tables and what is a dimension tables. Snowflake and star schemas will be available as part of the Power BI. So 1 or 2 classes, I'll take it for Power BI discussion, not Power BI, business intelligence discussions, I'll do that. In that case, I'll explain about the fact tables and the dimension tables.
So we can generate reports directly on the table also and also on model. Like
Yes. You can directly do that.
Okay, sir. Thank you.
Right. That's it, guys. Any more questions? Anyone? Right. So thanks for today, guys. Just for today, I'll stop it here and we'll continue in the tomorrow's class, guys. Okay. Thanks all of you. I'll see you tomorrow at the same time, guys. Thanks all of you, guys. Course period. Course period is going to be almost all 45 to 50 days. It will take it, guys. Okay. It's going to be take 45 to 50 days. It is a course period. And guys who has been already registered, just wait for 1 or 2 days of time because we've not started anything, right? So maximum tomorrow, I'll complete off all the demos. And from day after tomorrow, I'll start with that. By the day after tomorrow, we'll get the access to the videos. Okay, fine. Right. So that's it, guys. That's it for the today's class. Just for today, I'll stop it here. I'll see you tomorrow, guys. Thanks all of you, guys.